Good morning, everyone, and happy Tuesday. I can't stay for long because I have to go to work, but Monday through Wednesday, I go to work / field, so that's what we're doing today, and then I'll come back on after I get off work because I don't want to do any, filming while I'm there, so I'm going to go to work, and I will see you all when I get off. Hey all, so I am officially off work. My plan right now is just to go to the store. Sometimes I go straight home, sometimes I get a snack, sometimes I run errands, and today we are running errands. I googled the seasoning packet from last night, and actually the website that sells the seasoning had this whole thing at the it popped up as you can buy it in a bigger jar, and then I scrolled and there was a recipe, and it's this recipe for chicken wings where literally all you do is just rub the seasoning on the chicken. So I'm gonna go to the store and I'm gonna get some chicken, and then I'm gonna figure out what sides I want. I might just make a box of mac and cheese that I have at home, and then maybe get a veggie to go with it, and then that's gonna be my dinner for tonight. And then I'm gonna go to PetSmart and get some Christmas toys for Hazel. I'm debating whether or not to wrap them and use them as Christmas gifts, or let her have them throughout the month, or it'll be just an early Christmas gift for her. So I think I'm gonna do one of those two options, but all their stuff's on sale right now. So that is my plan. So let's go to the store, and then I'll come back on later tonight. I think I'm gonna do my laundry today. Luckily, I don't have a lot to do today. I still have a little bit of a headache. I've been alternating medicine all day today, but all I really have to do today is laundry, and then Dancing with the Stars is doing this holiday thing, which I'm really excited for because the season's over and I'm so sad that it's over. So that's pretty much my plan for tonight. It's just gonna be really chill, and yeah. So let's go to the store and then I'll be back. Alright, I am back home now. I tried going to Aldi, but the Aldi did not have what I wanted because they only had family pack, and there was no way I could eat that much chicken. So I ended up going to Kroger because I knew that if I went to Meijer's, I would get totally distracted. I ended up buying chicken drums instead of chicken wings because I tend to like drumsticks a little bit more. And then I ended up just getting green beans for the vegetable, and then I'm going to make mac and cheese. So my plan for right now is to start my laundry, do the dishes, and then we're just gonna kind of chill. Also, I realized I never inserted my Thanksgiving clips anywhere, so I'm going to put the clips of what we ate for Thanksgiving right here. I was a little sad there was no bread, so I actually ended up buying some bread so that we can have bread for dinner tonight. And then I did buy Hazel some new toys, so that'll be exciting. I think some of it I'm going to put out now, and then some of it I'm going to save for either next Christmas or for actual Christmas Day and bring it with us to San Francisco. So also, if I haven't said already, I'm going to San Francisco for Christmas, and I can do a whole separate Vlogmas for that. So anyways, I'm going to do Hazel! Oh my goodness. I've been trying to keep her from messing with the ornaments on the tree. But last year I bought non-breakable ones because I knew that she would mess with them. Anyways, I'm gonna go handle the cat, do my chores, and I'll be back. Okay, so here is the spread. We have the chicken, green beans, the bread, and mac and cheese. It looks so good, so yummy. I used my broiler for the first time, but let's try this chicken that has the seasoning on it. Luckily, I had to cook the mac and cheese so it cooled down a little bit. That's pretty good. I like it. Good seasoning. I'm going to enjoy this yummy dinner and watch some TV, and then we're going to finish with the story day. I folded all my laundry, I just have to put it all away. So, yay! Hey y'all, it is the end of the day, so you know what time it is. I have a couple of things I need to do before I go to bed, including taking a shower, doing the dishes yet again because I don't want a dirty sink. It's moments like these I really wish I had a dishwasher. Then I have to put away my laundry, and then we will be all ready to go to bed. Yeah? Also have to take a shower. I don't know if I said that. Also, I recently bought this remote that turns my Christmas tree on and off, and I absolutely love it. It makes things so much easier because the plug right now is under the table, and I have to crawl under to turn it off. And at home we have this switch, and I have a switch in my room for my lights, and I tried to find it again and I couldn't figure out where it was. So instead I have this little remote, and it's so useful. And if you buy like 2 more, you can, you know, do up to 3. So very handy, even if I don't have to crawl under a table. This is a very good purchase. Anyways, let's do Advent. So let's do the seasonings one. Honestly, I was very happy with my chicken. So we'll see what this next one is. Oh, look at that. They were right underneath each other. Also, I'm sorry if my microphone is weird. I'm wearing kind of a weird sweater. So it's like in a very awkward position. And I don't know like what it's picking up. Oh, okay. This one says, Penzies Pepper, I will vote. And it has 11/3/26 on it. So this must be whenever the next... Really, Hazel? Oh, my elbow just accidentally... Oh my god, Hazel! My elbow just accidentally opened another one, but it's okay. Okay, so let's see. It just says good black pepper. So perfect. I can use this for pretty much anything. Amazing. Okay, now let's do mine. Yes, I know, Hazel. Yours is coming up. Yeah. You can have this one. It's chocolate. Okay, looks like we got a little gift. Yes, Hazel, it's your turn now. Are you ready? Oh, you're much more excited than yesterday. I could barely get you to come over here. I'm telling you, she figured it out. Oh, Hazel, look what we have. Can I show them? Can I show the camera? You want... Okay. Let me open it. Hold on. Oh, spilled some. Say thank you. Alright, I'll take it. Alright, so that is it for today's video, and we will see you all bright and early tomorrow morning because I have to go to work again. But it is my second to last week, which is absolutely crazy to me. Also, if you watch my videos, I'm sure you figured out I have several Zoe-isms. Absolutely crazy. Honestly, like I say those a lot. But anyways, it is crazy to me because it means I'm at the end of my time as a student. So, shall we go to bed? Shall we take a shower and go to bed? Do you want to wash the dishes for me? Yeah, okay, that's what I thought. Alright, bye!